with C. I told you.
Very good, Kavish. They all are starting with C. But is this letter C making the same sound every time? Is this letter C? Yeah. No, it's not making the same sound every time. Now, pay attention. I will read the words again. So the first word, it's cat. C is making what sound here? The second word is
C sound.
yeah, it is saying k sound. Now, the second word is scent. Is C making k sound here?
No. No.
Oh, it is making soft sound. Okay, next word is cow.
Cow.
Is cow. What sound is C making here?
The fourth sound. The fourth type of sound.
First sound, cow. Okay, now if I talk about city, city is
City is a new type of sound.
it's a new type of sound. Okay, so city, is it making k sound? City C is making k sound?
No.
No. If I talk about circle, is circle making k sound? C making k sound?
No.
So,
No.
what is happening here? What is happening here? See, here is making sound like k. Here it is making sound like s. Here again it is making sound like letter K. K. Here it is making sound like s. And here also it is making sound like letter S. What is this? How would you know that you have to write C for this sound also? And where do you have to write C for K sound? Are you all confused? Confusion? Yeah?
No, because the wrong sound we do it.
Oh, no, this is not the wrong sound. These are all correct spellings. The spellings are all correct. But why are we writing C for city? Why cannot we write?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the C make many sounds. It's very strong.
C does not make many sounds. C can make 2 sounds. Okay,
only
this is
two?
what we are going to learn today.
It makes only 2. In this, it makes only 2. That's why so it has 2 sounds. That's why it did like that time.
Yeah, I'll tell you the story about this letter C today. We will understand that why is city we write by C, why can't we write it by S, and why do we have to write it by C, and why is C making sound. This is what we will learn today. Okay, so are you all ready for the story time?
Because C has 2 sounds, I told you.
Yes, I told you that C has 2 sounds. But Kavish, if I ask you to write down cement, or if I ask you to write down kettle, so if I ask you to write down cattle, not kettle, cattle, so how would you know that you have to write C or you have to write, what do you have to write for the sound, k sound? How will you get to know, Kavish? Tell me. You can also write city. If I ask you to write city, you can write city with S. How would you know that you have to put C? Aren't you a little confused?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are going to look at the story that ma'am is going to teach you today, tell you today, and we will understand that, okay, we know that C can make 2 sounds, but how would you know that you don't have to write S, you have to write C sometimes for sound? Okay, so let's begin. Now, I am going to start my story and I want all of you to look right here on my white board. Okay, I'm watching you all, so you should all be paying attention here. Now, what happened one day? There was this cute and little fairy.
Cute and little
Fairy. Okay, it's a cute Little
Fairy?
fairy. And you know, this is the fairy of sounds. This is the fairy of
Vowel wala fairy?
which fairy, bacha?
Vowel wala fairy?
Yeah, this is that fairy only. You remember the very first class that we did, Kavish?
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
okay.
first.
This fairy is the fairy of sounds. Okay. And one day, this fairy was giving sounds to all the letters. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let me make the letters also here. So this was giving sound to all the letters. She says A, your sound is A. B, your sound is ba.
Baby.
Okay. C, she skipped somehow. C was standing in the corner. Okay. So fairy did not see C. And then she gave sound to all the other letters D and F and G and K and S. Okay. All the letters. She says, okay, K, your sound is K. L, your sound is L. M, your sound is M. Letter S, your sound is S. Letter V, your sound is W. Letter W, your sound is W. And she says, and this is how she gave sounds to all the other letters also. But C was standing in the corner and not paying attention to the fairy and was doing something and wasn't over there with all the other letters. So now what happened? C is not having any sound. C is not having any.
Oh, so that's why she picked. He is not having any sound.
Yes. Okay. So now what happened? Now all the letters are so happy. Yay, we got our sounds. Yippee. I am ba, ba, ba. I am da, da, da. I am ga, ga, ga. I am s, s, s. I am They are so happy and they are celebrating. Yay! All the consonants, all the letters were there. All the vowels, letters, they got the
I
sound.
can't see it.
I have not written all of them. Yeah, but all of them got their sounds. I can write a few more. H. Okay.
Yeah,
H. You want me to write You want me to write O? Okay. All of them got their sound. Yeah, Z also got the sound. Z also got the sound. Okay, Z is here. And okay, S is there. S, T, U, V. U I haven't made. U also got the sound. X also got the sound. Y also got the sound. All the letters got the sound, but C did not get any sound. Now what happened? All of them are so happy and enjoying. We got our sounds. Yippee!
Except C.
C says, what happened? What happened? Why are you all so happy? And you know, by the time fairy flew away, fairy is gone now. Fairy says, okay, enjoy your sounds. Fairy went away. Okay, now all the letters are saying, hey, C, where were you? We all got our sounds from the sound fairy. But now C says, I don't have any sound. What should I do? Okay, so in the next page, I'll make a big C and I'll show you that C is very sad now. C says, this is my mistake. I was not paying attention and I am having no sound now. What will happen now? I don't have any sound. Started crying. Okay, somebody help me. Somebody help me. I also want a sound.
She looks funny.
I also want a sound. So he asked from the letters. Now listen. What happened next? He asked from all the other letter friends, can you please share your sound with me? Can you please share your sound with me? But nobody agreed to it. Everybody said, no, we will not share our sound with you. This is my sound. I am A, I am B. I will not share my sound. All the letters, but there were two very kind letters who came up. Which two letters were very kind and very good? who love to share things.
Why?
No, not why. This way.
K and S.
Very good. Dhanishka guessed.
A,
Correct letters. So K
K or
S.
because she's my name.
K says, what happened? See? Why are you crying? What happened?
K
You
looks
so
mini.
upset. But K says, okay, don't worry. I give you my sound. You can use my sound. And S also says, don't worry. You can use my sound also. You can make two sounds. You can say ka, ka, ka. And you can also say
Sa, 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 sa.
two sounds.
Sabe, sabe.
But now C says, thank you so much. You both are so good. You both are my best friends.
S looks
But
very
now C-
light.
Now C is very confused. Now C says, okay, fine. I have two sounds. But whenever people will write words from me, when should I say ka? And when should I say sa? So much of confusion. If somebody has to write cat, somebody has to write city, somebody has to write circle, it's okay that I can make sir sound also, but not every time. No, not every time I can say sir. I have to sometimes say ka and I have to sometimes say sir. Now again, C is very confused. When should I use your sound ka and when should I use your sound sir? This is confusion. And K says, S says, all right. We should call our, who will come now? Who will come now?
Vowel.
Yes, correct. Vowels will come now. Who always removes all the confusion whenever there is any confusion? Who comes? Vowels, right? So vowels came walking from here and vowel says, yoo-hoo, we are here. A, E, I, O, and U. And they say, don't worry, see, but you should be careful and you should be listening to the sound fairy, no? But it's okay. Now K and S have shared their sounds with you and you are confused. So we are going to help you. Okay.
The teammate thingy.
Yes. Now there is going to be a team. So how?
And what about Y?
Yeah, Y will also come. I will tell you. I'll write it later. So
Team
now,
thingy.
now what happened? K says, okay, which all vowels will come in my team? And S says, which all vowels will come in my team? So now what happens? C says, okay, now C makes two sounds, right? We all know that C makes two sounds. C says ka and C says sa. So when will C says ka sound? Whenever.
Already know that C makes two sounds.
Yeah, so A. Now vowel A says, I will go and I will be with ka sound. Okay. Then E says, okay, I will go and I will be with S sound. Okay. Then I says, I will go and I will also be with S sound. And O says, okay, then I will go to K sound. And U says, oh, you are my best friend. So I will also come and be with you. K. Now, K says 3 with me and Sir says only 2 with me. So the helping consonant came letter Y.
C. This one.
Y. Y says, okay.
How
Now,
did Y come?
Y is here. Y was also there. Y says, Y always helps the vowels. So whenever vowels call Y also comes to help. Okay, so now U, O, and A, they are with K sound, and Y, I, and E, they are with S sound. Now C says, my confusion is over. Now I know that whenever in a spelling I have U, O and A, I will be making K sound. Whenever after me there is Y, I and E, I will be making which sound? Which sound with Y, I, E? Which sound? Yes, Shreya?
S.
Yes, sound. All right. So now C says, my confusion is over. Now look here.